How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. So, I know it's been a while, but I wanted to talk to you guys about the best tires that you can get for the Dualtron Thunder. I have the Thunder 2, but also for the Dualtron Storm Limited, and also for the Dualtron Storm. Before we get started, I just wanted to make it clear, and I want to make sure that you guys also do this. These tires were recommended. The idea itself of mounting these tires on a Dualtron Storm, on a Dualtron Storm Limited, on a Dualtron Thunder 2 was by my boy V. He's the only person that ever did this, and I believe it's really important to give credit to people that come up with ideas that make our life better. Because I'm going to tell you this right now, these are the best tires. These are the best tires that you can get on the Dualtron Thunder 2, on the Dualtron Storm Limited. These are the best tires that you can put on there. When you put, because these are from Weeped, he came up with this idea to actually mount a Weeped tire on a Dualtron. All right, and I've been riding this for almost the past 6 months or so, I believe, and they ride so good. I would never see. I'm not just telling you stories. Look behind there. I'm sorry, it's a little bit of a mess right now, but you see back there, I have all the tires. I'm talking about PMT tires, so I gotta get you guys closer. But sorry, it's a mess. I'm in the office for the scooter stuff right now. But you see back there, I have all the tires. I have the run flat tires. I have the other PMT tires. I have all those tires back there. So, and I've tried them. But these tires that V came up with to mount on the Dualtron is the best tires that you could possibly mount on this thing. Because once I mount this and I'm riding, the ride is so smooth. Like, it's so nice, and I think it even helps to balance off the scooter even more. And I've been able to get up to 60 miles per hour on this scooter, and I think it's all thanks for him coming up with these tires to mount on the Dualtron. So I'm just telling you right now, these are the best tires that you can get on the Dualtron Storm. And let me see if I can get you guys the information as to what size it is, because I put the size in the description, but you also need to see it. Let me turn on my light. So wait, why is the light not coming on? Hold on. All right, there we go. So you guys can see it. These are tubeless tires. Show you guys, these are PMT, of course. Show you guys the information. Just see the information right there. 130/40. You guys can see it. The camera is focused on there, so you guys can see it. This is a split rim that I mounted it on. See, when you're mounting these tires, I'll turn off the lights too bright. When you're putting these tires on, you want to make sure that you add slime in there. And I'm going to show you the type of slime that you need to put. This is the one that I put. He has to have the blue thing. Okay? It prevents flats and everything. I have had this on here for a long time, and I ride this thing pretty much everywhere, but I've never had a flat. I've never had a puncture, and I ridden it pretty much everywhere. And yeah, so shout out to my boy V for coming up with this. And you guys need to make sure that you give people their credit, because I see a lot of you installing these tires and you're making it seem as if you're the one that came up with the idea. It's not you that came up with the idea. So give him his credit, because you need to understand, if you don't, if he has some other ideas that can make our life better, what's the point of him putting it out there? You get me? So give him his damn credit and get these tires, the PMT tires, mounted on your Dualtron. He has instruction videos as to how to do it. I made a video about it too, But check out his video, and he'll show you how to do this, how to mount it on your Dualtron, and you're gonna enjoy the ride. But thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you want. Peace out.